We will solve this problem statement means program for accepting 10 numbers from users and printing the same with the help of a array mechanism. We have solved this type of a problem by using the general mechanisms, but we have to solve this with the help of a array. We all know that array is index mechanism means it is a one variable having the collection of multiple variables. So here I will tell you all of one rule that for accepting the array, for processing the array, and for printing or displaying the array, we have to use the for loop. So we will start with the mechanism of writing the program. That is, every program should start with the header file, and that is nothing but the hash include stdio.h. Then we will write the main section, that is the void main. Now, for accepting 10 numbers, we will not create 10 numbers, means 10 variables separately, but we will write a simple variable having the array mechanism. So, we will create numbers should be basically integer. If you want to accept them in a float, then you can write the float mechanism. So, integer type A of size 10. For using the for loop, I will take I for the for loop variable. Now, I will display one message to the user, that is enter 10 numbers. Now, I have told you that for accepting, processing and printing, use the for loop. So, here we are going to accept 10 numbers from user. So, we will create a for loop. How? For I equals to every array index should start from 0. It is a compulsory. If you avoid this, if you will start with 1, then you have to accept actually 10. So here it is a I is equals to 0. Here in the problem we have given that the numbers are 10. So we have to stop till 10. As we have started from 0, we have to go till less than 10. If you will write 1, then you have to apply the less than equal to for 10. Now, for I equals to 0, I less than 10, and you have to increment it. What does this for loop performs? This for loop is nothing but making the counter, means maintaining the counter for user if he or she is entering exactly 10 numbers, not less, not greater than 10 will be achieved or not. For that purpose, we are using the for loop. And in this, we will write the scanf, that is scanf. Carefully see here the scanf mechanism. What is it? We are writing here the access specifier or modifier. So it is a %d, comma. In general, we are using the ampersand sign and the variable name. But it is an array. So we have to write it as A in bracket. What you have to write? For accepting 10 different numbers, you have to simply write here the index of that for means for I equals to 0, a of 0th element will be accepted. When I is 1, a of 1th element is accepted, and so on. Such mechanism will be carried. Why we have not written this statement into for loop? Because if you write this statement, then if you include anything in the for loop, that number of times, means this is the maximum limit, this 10 number of times that printf will be executed. To avoid this, we have written the printf outside the for loop, and we are writing only the scanf, because actually we have to accept the 10 numbers, means this procedure we have to repeat 10 number of times. So we are including it in a for loop. Now we have accepted the for variables. Now only the work remain, that is the we have to print the numbers. So the numbers are, then you have to simply print. So again that for that you have to use the formula. For I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Then simply write the printf statement in it. Printf %d. Now how to print numbers? You knows that in the print we are not using ampersand but variable is same. So we will write like a of r semicolon and we will complete the main section. How it will going to be displayed or acting mechanism, I will be carried from 0 to 9. Means when I is 0, a of 0th element is accepted. Means user entering. As you are giving a global scope to enter directly 10 numbers, user will enter 10 numbers. Means like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 10. Now, what is the mapping is actually there? For example, if user enter 1, it will be mapping A of 0. If user will enter 2, second number in second element. If user will enter third number, that will be mapped to the third. Till user enter ninth position, means actually 10th number, then it will be accepted in this index. So this is the basic mechanism behind any array or any program to write the array mechanism. So we will try to solve such type of programs with the help of arrays. Means different programs we can handle with the array mechanism in simplest way. Thank you so much.